Hello, this is Bronzella Shepherd. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to um, take your Gmail emails and fix it so that they're not coming in your primary email box. And I had searched for this and I couldn't find it. So I decided to do a video myself on showing you how you can do it for yourself. It's quick and it's easy. What I'm seeing here is I'm going to pick one like merry-go-round and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to copy this right here, and you want just that because that's going to be your label. You're going to right click and you're going to copy it. Then I'm going to come to these three little dots right here above the email and I'm going to click on it. Filter messages like these. Click on it. You see here you have from the admin merry-go-round dads. Now, two, you're going to click on that line too, and I have several emails, but I'm going to use one specific one, which is this one we're on, and then I'm going to come here, create filter, and right here when you click that, skip inbox, you want to archive it. Click on the square there, then apply the label. You're going to click here. Now choose the label. That's the label that we had clicked earlier and made a copy of. Now here you have, I'm going to make a new label because I don't have a label for this already. So I'm going to click on new label. And then once you see that it's ready, you're going to right click. You're going to paste it. Now you can nestor this with an existing label or you can make it its own label. I'm going to choose to nestor it with another label. I'm going to put it under advertisements and then create label. You're going to come back to this little box here. Now see I have like 30 matching conversations. So I'm going to click also apply filter to the 30 matching already. And I'm going to create the filter, which you see now all of them were together. And then when I go back to my inbox, they are no longer there. They are now filtered into the designated box for the merry-go-round dads. Let's see if we can pick one more so I can show you again real quick. Jobs to spot. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to highlight it. Right click your mouse, copy. Come back to the three little dots. Click on it. Filter messages like these. Click on it. Oh, but that one didn't take. This one just has the words. So let's see if that's going to work. I still want to send it to this particular email. So I'm going to create the filter. And it did. This has 30 matching conversations. I want to click on skip the inbox. Apply the label. Choose a label. Now with this, you already right click and you already have in your mouse. So you're going to click on new label. Right click. Paste. Jobs to spot. Now this one, I'm probably going to wind up making separate. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to come back here. Also apply. Filter to the 30 matching conversations. And I'm going to create the filter. Voila. They're going to be gone. Click on a little arrow and they are gone. So that was a quick little tutorial on how to fix your inbox. And as I see, I have a lot more to do. So thank you. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and with everybody who wants to take control of their Gmail. Because as you know, Gmail gets a lot of mail once you get out there and put your email out there. All right, once again, also take a look at the opportunity that I have below. And yes, it's helpful, and yes, you do make money. And once you get a hold to me and send me a message, I'll even uh, show you the Facebook group for support and everything. And it's a big team, big family, and everyone helps everyone out. And you get to training, you get plenty of training. Everything is explained in video. Thank you. You have a good one.